Hello Sagittarians and welcome to your bonus love reading. So this is a bonus love reading for the year 2025. Keep in mind that this is a general reading. So not every message will resonate to your situation. And ये timeless reading है जब भी आप ये reading देखेंगे. This is for the whole year 2025. So let's see what messages are here for you. And also if you had a calling to click on this video, then there could be messages for you in this reading. So let's see messages for the sign of Sagittarius. Let's see messages for the sign of Sagittarius. We have kisses, twin flames, then we have separation and talking. So ऐसा दिखाया जा रहा है मैसेज कि आप अपने ट्विन फ्लेम से इस वक्त सेपरेशन में हैं, ठीक है. आपका सेपरेशन जोन चल रहा है अपने ट्विन फ्लेम से और विद योर हायर लेवल सोलमेट. एंड ये जिन पर्सन के साथ आप सेपरेशन में हैं, इनको थोड़ा टाइम रिक्वायर्ड है, ठीक है, इन ऑर्डर टू कम टू वर्ड्स यू. दे नीड टू टेक देयर टाइम in order to introspect about the situation properly with this clock, okay. And this person has deep passion and attraction for you, and I see that कि in person की तरफ से आपको कोई ना कोई communication आएगी. Some awaited message will arrive to you from this person, okay, because ये person भी आपसे communicate करना चाहते हैं. So ये जो person है इनके दिल में आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा passion है, attraction है, affection है, and they have love for you. Moreover, this person wants to bring in union and balance to the situation. Okay, sorry. So this person wants to bring in the balance and union, or either this person wants a reunion with you. Show me more messages for the sign of Sagittarius. Show me more messages for the sign of Sagittarius. Show me more messages for the sign of Sagittarius. Show me more messages for the sign of Sagittarius. Okay. So पहला मैसेज यहाँ पर था 8 of Swords with the 10 of Cups, and then Queen of Wands, 3 of Swords, and we have the 5 of Swords. Seems like there is a clear message over here. ये जो आपके पर्सन है ये किसी और रिलेशनशिप में स्टक्ड है, जहाँ पे ये खुद को झगड़ा हुआ महसूस कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे ये खुश नहीं है, जहाँ पे बैक स्टैपिंग है, जहाँ पे narcissistic behavior, very in and out, very wishy-washy behavior, and they are very heartbroken over something. Probably this person brought a third party situation in your like in your connection, और ये person आप खुद भी इस third party से खुश नहीं है. This third party could be their karmic, okay, soulmate or twin flame, and actually this person has to learn lessons through this relationship. That's why the universe and the angels and God brought these two people together. I mean, the third party and your person. And now this person is feeling stuck with the third party, and this person wants to move on, लेकिन ये खुद को झगड़ा हुआ महसूस कर रहे हैं, यानी कि ये खुद को इन बंधनों से आज़ाद करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन ये खुद को झगड़ा हुआ महसूस कर रहे हैं. Bottom of the deck we have King of Pentacles, King of Swords, and the 2 of Swords. This person is confused. ये आपकी तरफ एक्शन लेना चाहते हैं because they know that you are their soulmate, twin flame. ये आपकी तरफ एक्शन लेना चाहते हैं. They know that you bring a lot to the table. They know that you are a very high vibrant energy, and they want to match your energy. But ये क्यों नहीं आ रहे? Because they know that they broke your heart, ठीक है. और इनको पता है कि इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा गलतियाँ की इस रिलेशनशिप में by like bringing the third party between the two of you. And now this person wants to leave that third party, and they want to come towards you, and they want to give you a committed relationship, but ये समझ नहीं पा रहे. they are trying to introspect ये सब कैसे किया जाए, ठीक है. Let's see. Show me more. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Sagittarians. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Sagittarians. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Sagittarians. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Sagittarians. We have Wheel of Fortune and the Nine of Wands. We have Star, that is Aquarius energy, and we have the Five of Wands. So far there are all the signs, मतलब आप हर साइन के साथ, डेफिनेटली दिस इज़ नॉट अ साइन स्पेसिफिक रीडिंग, लेकिन यहाँ पे सारे साइंस मौजूद हैं. So we have Wheel of Fortune, we have Nine of Wands, we have the Star and Five of Wands. Because this person knows that they brought unnecessary drama into the situation, and they see you as a wish fulfillment, but you know जहाँ पे ये खुद को झगड़ा हुआ महसूस कर रहे हैं, ये आपकी तरफ आ नहीं पा रहे, that is because of the third party. Because at the bottom of the deck we have the Three of Pentacles, then we have the Five of Cups and the Hangman. This person is seriously regretting over the decision that they made by choosing the third party and by not choosing you as their life partner or as their spouse. And this person knows that you are their wish come true, और ये चीज़ों को change करना चाहते हैं, like they want to turn this wheel around and they want to like turn the things around, they want to change everything, they want to start everything from the scratch. But they have to first deal and they have to first take a decision. कोई डिसीजन इन्हें लेने की ज़रूरत है इस थर्ड पार्टी से रिलेटेड. विद द फाइव ऑफ कप्स आई कैन सी दैट ये इस वक्त सीरियस रिग्रेट्स में है एंड दे आर मिसिंग यू अ लॉट. Show me Sagittarian's feelings towards this person. Show me Sagittarian's feelings towards this person. Show me Sagittarian's feelings towards this person. आप इनसे क्लैरिटी चाहते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन चाहते हैं, और आप डेफिनेटली इनके साथ कोई न्यू बिगिनिंग चाहते हैं. And you won't take less than what you deserve, so you want a commitment offer from this person. We have the Ace of Swords with the Ace of Pentacles. Strongly you want a new beginning with this person. And with the High Priestess, definitely in person ने आपसे कुछ secrets hidden रखे हैं, और you want them to reveal those secrets by giving you the clarity. Bottom of the deck we have the Hierophant, Six of Wands and the Eight of Cups. This person walked away from you. In person ने इस connection से walk away किया था because they were really narcissistic, in and out with the Five of Swords. And you want this person to bring in clear communication and a new offer and a marriage offer, because this person walked away from you. Okay. और जब ये पर्सन आपके साथ भी थे विद द सिक्स ऑफ वैंड्स, आई कैन सी दैट मतलब इन्होंने आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अनहेल्दी कंपटीशन में इन्वॉल्व किया था. लाइक दे वर विद द फाइव ऑफ वैंड्स भी मुझे यहाँ पे दिखाया जा रहा है कि दे वर फोकस्ड ऑन मैनी अदर पीपल, मैनी अदर ऑप्शंस, एंड दे पुट यू इन कंपटीशन. And now you want a genuine kind of a commitment offer from this person. Like आप इन पर्सन के साथ कुछ ऑफिशियल कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप चाहते हैं, ठीक है. और डेफिनेटली लाइक इनकी एनर्जी में भी ऐसा शो हो रहा है दैट दे हैव फीलिंग्स फॉर यू, दे फील दैट यू आर देयर ट्विन फ्लेम एंड दे वांट टू गिव यू अ लॉन्ग टर्म स्टेबल कमिटेड रिलेशनशिप ऑफर. How this person sees this whole situation. How this person sees this whole situation. Five of Cups. How this person sees this whole situation. This person also wants, they are regretting over the decision that they made by not choosing you as their life partner. And now this person wants to put in the work and effort, और इन person की तरफ से आपको कोई communication आ सकती है, because ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा मिस कर रहे हैं. They are seriously missing, and with the Five of Pentacles and with the Five of Cups, they are seriously missing and regretting over their decisions, their current life situation and everything, and they want to put in the work and effort and they want to come towards you. But I see that, and this person also sees you as a wish fulfillment. Okay. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. Okay, this person wants to give in. Okay, this person wants to give you लव ऑफर. बिसाइड्स दिस पर्सन फील्स दैट इन्होंने आपके साथ एक टफ साइकिल भी एंड किया है, और डेफिनेटली ये कोई आपसे रिलेटेड है, इस रिलेशनशिप से रिलेटेड कोई डिसीजन लेना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज दे हैव फीलिंग्स फॉर यू. ठीक है, इनके दिल में आपके लिए फीलिंग्स हैं, जज्बात हैं. दे नो दैट यू ब्रिंग अ लॉट टू द टेबल. दे वांट टू मैच योर एनर्जी. दे नो that you have a very high vibrant energy, and they want to match your energy by giving you a genuine love offer, by giving you a commitment offer. They want to have a family with you, okay, and they want to have, like, they want to extend their family with you and just with you, because जो relationship और जो you know कुर्बत इन्हें आपके साथ महसूस होती है, they don't feel it with any other person. Okay, show me channel messages from this person. Show me channel messages from this person. I knew exactly what I was doing. So इन पर्सन ने कुछ ना कुछ तो जान के किया है आपका दिल तोड़ने के लिए, और इसीलिए ये आप पछता रहे हैं, और इन्होंने आपकी ऑफर भी रिजेक्ट की है बिकॉज दे लव यू. इसलिए पछता रहे हैं, एंड दे आर सो अट्रैक्टेड टू यू, एंड दे विश दैट दे हैड ट्रीटेड यू बेटर. इन्होंने आपके साथ डेफिनेटली मिस ट्रीटमेंट किया है, जिस पे ये आप पछता रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे नो दैट दे सीरियसली वांट यू. ओके, so I will leave this reading over here. Thank you so much, Sagittarians. Please hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next. Till then, take care and bye.